I always test my door pull before I put my door cord back on fully. So once you have this clipped back into place, pull on the door pull a couple of times to make sure that it's actually working. Your door card, you're just going to take it, you're going to fit it up and over the pin, kind of slot it all back down into place here. This top edge, if you just gently smack it back into place, this top edge will hold it as you put all the rest of the plugs in. Okay, I know that's a lot of information at once, so let me get my door card hung and I'll walk you through the rest. All right, so all the wiring harness is back in. The Bowden cable is clipped on. It's in its little hook. Just swing the pin up and guide it up through the door card. You want to make sure to not forget that point. And then just line it up really nicely underneath your trim right here, just like that. And then gently, just like that. So now the door card will hang by this upper edge and you can work your way around. Now the rest of those plastic clips, or the plastic posts, if you had any that were broken, this is a great time to fix them, right? They break really, really easily. So now you're just going to want to just take your hand and just work your way back around just like that. So I got one clip on this side that's sitting a little, there we go. Just like that. Okay, now it's back in. So then you just 1, 2, 3, 4, put those T20s back in, squeeze your door trim back on. It's got a little bit of a hook on one side. You're just gonna take it and just press it back into place over your grip. And then this door is gonna be done.